If you need to cancel a pending transaction associated with your Apple ID, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where you can manage your Apple ID and related transactions. Step 2. Access your Apple ID. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. This section contains all the information related to your account. Step 3. Go to Subscriptions. Scroll down and select Subscriptions. Here, you will see a list of your active and pending subscriptions and transactions. Step 4. Find the pending transaction. Look for the pending transaction you wish to cancel. It may be listed under Active Subscriptions or as a separate entry. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your pending transaction should be cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.